Friends, in the previous video, when I took a 24-hour challenge on Whop clipping and made profits, good results came on that video. So I am taking the 24 hours challenge again. And the people who are working on Whop, let me tell them that Instagram and TikTok's algorithm does not support new creators. People sit for hours and edit videos, think of the perfect hook, apply trending audio, and what is the result? 0 views. 10 views. So today on Devon Cross, I will tell you my personal method of earning from Whop clipping. In this challenge of mine, we are not going to wait for organic views. We are not going to fold our hands in front of the algorithm. In today's 24-hour Whop clipping challenge, I will show you how direct earnings are generated by using just a smart loophole and fake views, without taking the tension of organic views. This video is for those people who actually want to earn money by doing smart work. Time starts now. First of all, I come to my Whop dashboard. This time our focus is more on execution than quality. I want one such campaign which is paying a good amount per 1,000 views. Look here, there is a campaign that is giving $1. Their requirement is also not very hard. It is normal only, so I join it. Now comes the turn of editing. Look, because we are not trying to be organically viral, therefore, I do not need to sit for hours and make mind-blowing edits or transitions. I just have to do this much basic editing that Whop's admin approves my video. I am editing football FIFA World Cup clips in this campaign. I add text over the clips, because admins find this format very professional. They approve the video as soon as they see it. Here you go, brother. Within just 15 minutes, my 3 reels are ready. No overthinking, no stress. Because our reel game will start after uploading. Reels have been uploaded on Instagram. Now I am copying the links of all these and submitting them in this Whop campaign. Clicked on submit, and now we will give a few initial views on these clips. And now we just have to wait for them to be approved. And now comes the most main part of this whole challenge. Friends, normally people here wait for when someone will watch their reel and when views will increase. But our system is different. As soon as these clips are approved, I will use my secret method and directly inject views on these videos. This is not any normal botting that Whop system detects. This is such a highly secure trick that shows the views 100% legit and organic in the eyes of the platform. You do not have to worry about bringing views at all. You can wake up in the morning and increase the numbers according to yourself, and can directly see its payout in the Whop dashboard. This has literally become a money printing glitch. I am applying my method on these 3 videos, and am leaving them overnight so that views keep updating naturally and do not look suspicious.
2 hours later.
So guys, our video has been approved and you can see here. And the first payout of this video has also been received by me. And if I go to my chat and show you, then you can see here that I have received payment from the side of content rewards, according to my fake views, $6. And right now, a new payment has also come of $4. Now I will wait until tomorrow. We'll meet you directly tomorrow, exactly after 24 hours, and let's see how many dollars we have printed.
24 hours later.
Alright guys, 24 hours are complete. I know my method works, but I am excited to see for myself how much money Whop has generated this time. Let's go directly to the dashboard. Boom! Look on the screen, friends. The views that I increased with my method, Whop's system has counted them 100% genuine. Payments have started coming from the side of the campaign admin. You can see the chat of content rewards here. How many dollars I have received according to my views? Let me add all these and tell you. $6, $4, $11, $7, $8, $9, $4, $4, $9, $18, $9, $6, $12, $9, $8, $11, $7, $7, $9, $11. Total is $169. If we also add the cents, then the total is $179. Only and only in 24 hours. And you know what is the most fun thing? I did a total work of only 30 minutes in this. Neither was I waiting to go viral, nor was I researching hashtags. I applied my shortcut and the result is in front of you. This is proof that if you have the right knowledge, then you can easily beat this system. Now look, if I wanted, I could have kept this secret with myself. But I know that many of you people are struggling to earn the first dollar online. Therefore, I have packed this exact Whop clipping earning method into a step-by-step course. In this course, I will share my screen and teach you that, how to work on Whop from a beginner level, and from where to bring those views, how to inject them, and how to do 100% earning. People charge $100 to $200 to teach such tricks. Earlier, I also thought that I should keep its price $49. But my motive is not to rob you. My motive is to build such a community that earns money smartly and secretly. Therefore, I have strictly made the price of this course $10, only for the starting 20 people. You think for yourself, $10 you blow away outside with friends on fast food. Here, that same $10 is giving you such a skill by which you can generate a good amount of dollars daily, without taking the tension of organic views. If you are actually serious and want to make money by using this glitch of the system, then go right now and direct message me on my WhatsApp. The link is given in the description and pinned comment. As soon as the DM comes, I will tell you the further process. Only those who take action get results. DM quickly, I will meet you right there. And if you are new to the channel, then do not forget to subscribe.